Most people get this wrong. They think missing cashback is just bad luck. In reality, it usually comes down to how the app tracks your purchase. That's why Ibotta and Rakuten have very different experiences when it comes to missing cashback reports. By the end of this video, you'll understand how each app tracks purchases, why cashback sometimes goes missing, and which platform generally gives users fewer tracking problems in 2026. Here's the key difference. Ibotta is built around offer activation and receipt or retailer account verification. Before you shop, you add offers in the app. Then you upload your receipt or shop through a linked retailer account, depending on the store. If the purchase matches the offer terms, cashback is credited after verification. Rakuten works differently. It tracks online purchases through affiliate links. You must start your shopping session from the Rakuten website, mobile app, or browser extension. When everything works correctly, the retailer confirms your purchase and Rakuten adds the cashback to your account. But here's the problem. Rakuten depends on several tracking systems working together. If you visit another website before checkout, use certain coupon extensions, block cookies, or complete the purchase on a different device, the referral may not be recorded correctly. That's one of the most common reasons users report missing cashback. Now here's where it gets interesting. Ibotta has fewer tracking issues on receipt-based purchases because the receipt itself acts as proof of what you bought. As long as the receipt is clear, submitted within the allowed time, and includes eligible products, the app can verify the purchase directly. However, Ibotta can still reject cashback if you forgot to activate an offer before shopping or purchased an item that doesn't exactly match the promotion. Take a simple example. Alex buys groceries at a participating supermarket using Ibotta. He activates the offers first, buys the correct products, and uploads the receipt the same day. His cashback is usually verified without relying on browser tracking. Later, he orders headphones through Rakuten but forgets to activate the browser extension before paying. Even though the store partners with Rakuten, the purchase may not qualify because no referral was tracked. This is where most people fail. They assume every eligible purchase is automatic. Both apps require users to follow the rules carefully, but the rules are different. So which app has fewer missing cashback reports in 2026? For everyday grocery shopping and receipt-based offers, Ibotta generally experiences fewer tracking issues because purchases are verified using receipts or linked retailer accounts. For online shopping, Rakuten is highly reliable when activated correctly, but it is more sensitive to browser settings, tracking interruptions, and checkout mistakes. The bottom line is simple. If you mainly buy groceries and household items, Ibotta is generally the safer choice for consistent cashback tracking. If you shop online frequently, Rakuten can deliver excellent cashback, but only if you remember to activate it before every purchase. If this guide helped you, leave a comment with your experience, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest app comparisons.